Hello everyone, welcome to Web Skill Labs. Today we will install another script. So let's get started without further ado. Today we will install MartFury Multivendor Marketplace Laravel Ecommerce System. So let's continue further. First, you have to visit a link which I will give you in the video description. If you watch my previous video, you may see that kind of interface. Okay, now click human verification. It will take 10 seconds around. Now click the subscribe button. Without subscribe, you cannot download the file. Okay, click subscribe. If you need more C script, you can watch this video. Okay, let's back to our page. Now click download option. It will take 10 seconds. Okay, now we are in the download button. Click download. Download anyway. If you face any problem to install a script, you can contact me via Telegram. I will give my Telegram link in the video description. So any kind of issue or bug problem or installation problem, contact by Telegram. Let's create a subdomain. Create a new domain. If you have the tick, uncheck the tick mark. Create your subdomain. Okay, this is our subdomain. Click submit. Search our domain. Sorry, subdomain. This is our subdomain. We will go to document root. Here is the upload option. We will upload the file which is downloaded earlier. MartFury. Okay, our file is successfully uploaded. Now back to our domain, subdomain. So this is our zip folder. We have to extract this. Our file is extracted. So we will delete the zip folder and we have a folder main. Enter the main folder. Select all. Move to our subdomain. One up. We don't need the folder anymore. Delete the folder. Okay, now visit our subdomain Let's what happened. Okay, uh, let's there must be any HTTPS error. I think. Let's go. All extension enabled. Click configure environment. Okay. Environment setting. Website title. Skill labs. That is our URL managed domain. Database host. Localhost or 127.0.0.1. It's okay. Database port always 3306. Now we have to create database. Click database wizard MartFury DB MartFury user. Now generate a password. Copy the password. Tick mark. I have copied the password. Save plus. Okay. Click create user, and in this time paste the database password so that we don't lose it. Now click all privileges. Click make changes. Okay, we have the database user. Copy it. Database username. P. I should write DB instead. I wrote mistakenly PD. It's okay, no problem. Okay, now we will going to connect the database into our server to script. So many people, mm, you may face some problem. If you contact me through Telegram or comment on the video, I will give you the solution. So we have to create a admin account. You know, I don't use my real name. Username admin, email admin at the gmail. Password confirmation. By the way, I am not so good in English. If you face any problem or anywhere you stuck, please contact me on Telegram. This anything you can put. Installation, installation finished. Application has been successfully installed. Wow, great. Now go to dashboard. Get started. Here it can say upload favicon, admin logo, website logo, etc. etc. Also the change the name. Okay, okay. Next. Ah, there. Double check. Please subscribe and like the video because uh, we have lots of time and dedication to make a video. Hope you understand or okay from our end. Let's visit the website. Okay, this is more cool because it says how many the slider size and banner size and pop-up size etc. There is a product but not image is missing. It's cool. I think hope you like this script. I also like this script much and more. Okay, you can change anything from admin panel. So today, uh, if you system updater, so we are using a bypass script. So don't update your website, otherwise your all decorate the website will lost and maybe they ask for verification code. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. I will come again. Bye, lovely people.